Good morning. It's a lovely day, sun shining, and that's good news because we need sun because the grass at the moment is very wet and it needs to be dry when we're mowing because otherwise everything gets stuck in the mower. So we're gonna mow later today and we're gonna start with the tree. And after that, I've thought of some other jobs to do around here. But yeah, let's see how far we get today. But first, breakfast. As we're trying to get started, the shredder that quit on us yesterday is still quitting on us, so we need to fix that first. And yeah, if it doesn't, we can only chop up the tree, but not, shred it. We won't be shredding today. Meanwhile, the shed is cleaned out. So this is where I would put all my mulch, if I had any. Now I can only place yesterday's mulch here. So happy, sort of. I want to make new mulch, but that's gonna take some time. So this is our setup for today. We got a reciprocating saw, chainsaw, battery station. I wanted to put the shredder here, but the shredder quit on us, so that's too bad. We got ear protection, face protection, so yeah, let's do it. So the chainsaw just quit on me. That's normal when it's out of fuel. So I mixed some fuel. You need to mix fuel and oil, and it uses the oil to stay lubricated. You also need to add chainsaw oil, and when the motor runs, it sprays a little of that chainsaw oil onto the chain. And that is to keep the chain lubricated so it doesn't get, so it goes through the wood instead of getting stuck into the wood. So I'm gonna refuel it and then continue. I think we're doing a pretty good job. I mean, we've been busy for like an hour, and look at all the things we made already. That pile, this pile, and then a whole wheelbarrow full of wood that's ready to be dried. Okay, I should be good to go. See if it still runs. It's gonna run. I think the carburetors run dry. Good. So that's all of the wood that we produced today. You can't really burn it now because it's still too wet. It needs to dry for 1 to 2 years. So what I'm gonna do is put it over there underneath the house. There's already a bit over there. And dry it. The big logs, like this one and that one, I should like quarter them actually, but I neither have the time nor the axe to do it with, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna stuff it underneath the house, let them dry, and I'll quarter them later on. Doing the mowing at level 5. So 5 is the highest, and I'm doing that because the grass is so ridiculously tall that on the highest setting it already has difficulties going through. So I'm gonna do one pass today and then another pass on a lower setting tomorrow, and that one should be good to go for another couple of weeks. So we're almost done mowing. We sawed a tree into bits, put them under the house. What else did we do today? We stacked a lot of branches and twigs very high. We ate an apple, and yeah, it's been a good day. I'm very satisfied with the progress we made today. So subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and get an alert when there's a new video out. And that new video is going to be out by tomorrow, because that's day 3, and that's going to be the last day of the weekend. And on day 3 we're gonna pick the fruits of our labors. Yes, I'm keeping it a bit cryptic, but it's going to involve fruit. No apples this time. Well, maybe we'll pick an apple as well. So stay tuned.